Well, today we're going to take a little drive down to the Harbor Walk here in Destin, Florida. Down at this end, they have a lot of the more of the tourist stuff with shops and restaurants and the larger hotels. We actually are there in the middle. We like to camp instead of staying at the hotels. So there's lots to do, so let's take a look down here at Harbor Walk. That's nice. Now we didn't go to all the sidewalks where they had all the stores because I'm not much of a shopper. I like to just take photos and look for anything that nature or boats, because there's going to be some pretty boats coming up. They have a lot of boardwalks. Look at Henry the Heron right there.
That's what we're swimming out there.
Now we were going to sign up to go on that glass bottom boat. I thought it'd be pretty cool to see the dolphins out there. But the day we wanted to do it, they had extremely high winds, so all the boats didn't go out. We didn't stay too long down there at the Harbor Walk. We decided to head back to the campground and go out and see the sunset. Now, as you saw, as we were walking out here, there's a yellow flag up. And a yellow flag means it's just medium hazard for going in the water. One red flag is high hazard. And 2 red flags, that means the water's closed to the public. And on our last day here, it was a 2 red flag day. I'll be showing you that at next week's video. But with that, I'm going to compare Lake Superior and the Gulf Coast on their windiest days. So stay tuned to the end and I'll give you a quick preview of that. And coming up are a few of my favorite birds you find on the Gulf of Mexico. So on next week's video, I'm going to show you a drive that we took down the Gulf Coast on a very windy day. The sand was drifting across the roads. It kind of reminded me of the snow drifts up north. So I would like to do a comparison and show you Lake Superior versus the Gulf Coast. Which one do you think the Lake Superior is in these two videos? I'll show you more of that next week. So I want to thank you for watching, and as always, I hope to see you next time on Adventures Outdoors.